Welcome back to another technology tutorial. Today we will be going over how to save and load Photoshop actions in Photoshop CC. Here in Photoshop, after you have it open, what you want to do is go to Window and Actions. Inside of Actions, when we want to save one of the actions that we have created, what we'll do is we'll click on that action. Inside the action panel, you'll want to click on the menu button for it and click on Save Actions. Inside of Actions, you'll want to name the action, and also you'll want to have a folder selected that you will save it to. So on my computer, I have a folder called Photoshop on the desktop, and inside it I have what's called Actions. Here is where we'll save the action. And for saving actions, that is all that we have to do. Next, if we want to load in a new action, or we find an action that we like on the internet, or a buddy created one for you, what you'll do is inside Photoshop and inside the Actions toolbar panel, you'll click on the menu. You'll find Load Actions. Inside Load Actions, you will locate the action that you want to use in Photoshop. Mine right here is in the same folder as before. Inside it, you'll select the action, and it is with an extension called .atn. You'll click on Open, and as you can see over here in the panel, it loaded in those actions. And just to test it real fast, we'll pick a picture of any kind. I found this one on the internet, and the link is on the inside to give the author of this photo credit. Once your picture is loaded up, you'll want to select any of the actions that you have. Let's go ahead and click Nightmare, that is part of this one, and then click on the play button, and it will change. Thank you for watching, and remember to hit subscribe and like for more tutorials in the future.